Light is a utility. We provide these services. This is what our business is. We pay the capital cost of these utilities, being energy storage, the metering, and potentially even cold and hot water solutions. And we then sell the offtake, either the electricity or the water from these systems over a long period of time. We also then take care of all the maintenance and insurance of those systems. If they break, we replace it. That's our obligation. Typically, developers, what they want to do is they want to build a development and move on. We are the exact opposite. We want to invest in that development and stay invested for as long as 25 years. So I guess it's really just a different focus. Obviously, if a developer wants to remain invested for that and they've got access to that capital, then that's great, let them do it. But typically developers, that's not really their focus. Let's also get back to that win-win-win scenario. The developer is a significant beneficiary out of this, because potentially we can replace the existing or the hot water infrastructure that they were planning on spending somewhere between 20 and 25,000 Rand a unit. We say to the developer, take that money and put it in your pocket. We will invest in that hot water infrastructure, and we will provide that together with the solar and potentially the battery and the hot water meters and electricity meters and the smart wallet. We potentially even extend that through to a visitor management system, into energy efficient street lights, and potentially even outdoor furniture, where we can provide park benches and jungle gyms and rubbish bins and stuff like that. All of these at no cost. So you can see the first one, huge savings to the developer. The second one is the way that we sell this to the body corporate or the HOA, representing the homeowners, is that we give them a guaranteed saving. So we don't sell the hot water and the solar and the battery as separate solutions. Typically what we do is we then provide them with a guaranteed saving off their municipal bill. And that sometimes is as much as 10% guaranteed. So we provide all of that infrastructure, save the developer all of those capital costs, save the homeowner a guaranteed 10% saving, and we as Bright Light also then obviously are getting our return on our infrastructure over as long as 25 years. And that then brings our whole concept together that I mentioned earlier of win-win-win.